Hello everyone, moving forward, in which we are for the beginning using some bubbles to make some snow, and then we'll add some penguins. Moving forward to the next one, we will again learn how to make this heart which looks really beautiful. Moving ahead to the next one, which is also a really easy one. For the beginning, we will make a hill and then we will make a fence on the hill, as you can see, and we will make a tornado which looks really big and cool, and then we will add some stuff which are flying, as you can see from the video. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using a plastic to color it, the paper with some colors. We have used blue in the following one, and then we will modify it and again use some paper to make it look more beautiful. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will draw a duck or a swan on a canvas, and then we will use some tissue paper to make the wings of the duck, which looks absolutely beautiful. By seeing the video, we will complete the drawing, and then we will make the water by some stripes of color, and then we will complete them. Moving forward to the next one, we will follow the steps accordingly as shown to make this awesome looking pair of plants which are kept in a vase or a paper. We will perform the steps accordingly as shown, and then we will add some flowers on it. Moving forward to the next one, we will learn how to make this awesome one by using bubble wraps and some colors. First we will make a cloth, and then we will stick some bubble wrap to make some fruits on it like pineapple and other one. We will follow the steps accordingly as shown to make it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using some pieces of cardboard for the beginning. We will make some houses from the pieces of cardboard which we have cut in different shapes, as you can see from the video, and then we will place the pieces of cardboard to the paper and make some trees in the background, and then we will start converting the houses which are made by cardboard. We will place some windows and then color it and finish it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using sponge to make this one. We will first cut the sponge in a long layer and then stick it from the sides, and then we will paste it on the paper as shown in the video to make it look more beautiful, and then we will have taken another colored sponge to make it a flower, as you can see and learn from the video. Then we will make the stems and leaves of the flower to complete it. Thank you for watching the video.